Hi all. In this video, Rob and I will provide a short conceptual demo for Oracle AI Vector Search in Oracle AI Database 26AI. Oracle AI Vector Search is designed for artificial intelligence AI workloads and allows you to query data based on semantics rather than keywords on unstructured data. In this demo, we'll walk through how to load an AI ML model in ONNX format into Oracle AI Database 26AI and use it to generate vector embeddings from unstructured data. We'll create a table with a vector data type, then insert and update records to store the generated embeddings directly in the database. Next, we'll demonstrate how to combine vector similarity search with traditional relational queries to retrieve the most relevant and meaningful results. Note: optional advanced topics such as vector indexes and RAG inference are not covered in this video. Dedicated demo videos for those features will be shared separately. Let's start with loading a vector embedding model, which is in ONNX format, and then generate embeddings. Shown in the first section is the DBMS vector package along with the load on NX model subprogram. We are supplying a directory name of VEC_DUMP, and this is the location where we have downloaded the embedding model, all mini LM L12 V2.onNX. And we are giving the importer model a name of doc_model. This will load the embedding model all mini LM L12 V2.onNX in the database. We are connecting to the AI vector PDB. Create the wake dump directory and provided the required privileges for the user. In our demo, the username is vector. Execute the DBMS vector package along with the load on X model subprogram. We are supplying a directory name of VEC_DUMP, the location where we have downloaded the embedding model all mini LM L12 V2.onNX. And we are giving the importer model a name of doc_model. This will load the embedding model all mini LM L12 V2.onNX in the Oracle AI Database 26AI. In the second section, shown are the queries on user mining model attributes and user mining models to see the loaded model details. The third section shows two examples of select statements. Here the text input, apples are red, is converted to vector embedding using the function vector embedding by the doc model that we loaded in the first section. The output will be vector embeddings shown in the section 4. To store these vector embeddings, Oracle AI Database 26AI introduces the vector data type, enabling you to store vector embeddings directly alongside business data. You can create one or more columns of the vector data type in your standard relational data tables. The vector data type definition can include number of dimensions and format. The possible dimension formats are binary, 8-bit integers, 32-bit floating point numbers, and 64-bit floating point numbers. Here we create a table called fruits with various columns to store relational data and a column called embedding, which is a vector data type to store vector embeddings. Next, we insert sample fruit-related data, initially leaving the vector column empty. Once the data is in place, we update the fruits table to generate and populate vector embeddings using the AI model, storing them directly in the Oracle AI database. Next, we show how you can populate the data along with the vector embeddings in a single step directly at insert time. Now let's see how to combine similarity with keyword searches. We are considering the vector distance with the default metric cosine in the select query. Lower the distance, the more similar it is to the query. This means we look for a list of vectors ordered by how close they are to the query. The first result is the closest match. In the first example, the fruit mango is shown as the closest to the query sweet tropical fruit. In the second example, the fruit guava is shown as the closest to the query vitamin C and potassium. What really matters is the ranking of distances and not the exact distance value. Hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.